Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be replacing the front derailleur cable, which is right here. And I'm going to guide you through the steps, how to do it in a couple of minutes. By the way, if it's your first time here, hit that like and hit that subscribe and give me a like if you found the video useful. This is going to go the long way. So again, to get back on the video, you're going to need a brand new cable. This one here is it's pretty okay. It's just an older one, all oxidized, and I just want to replace it. And in order to do the task, you're gonna need the next wrench. This is what you're gonna need. I would recommend that you get a proper tool set to do this, but this is what I have now. I'm kind of stuck today with the limited tool, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. So let's get into it right now. This is the screw that you need to unscrew, and this is what's gonna happen. I already have it loose, and see, by loosening the screw, I would say the tiny bolt over here. I'm gonna just zoom in so you can see what I'm talking about. See what I'm talking about? Now we're gonna just push the cable, and I'm gonna come right over here and look at the housing over here. They're gonna pull it out. And this is what's gonna happen. I'm gonna pull it out. So this is what I'm doing. I'm gonna just feed the cable through. Yeah, so here we go. I'm feeding the cable through, and you have it seated. And you're gonna come back around here, and you're gonna install it now. So you have these two tiny holes over here that you're gonna have to fit the cable through right here. Hope you can see that. And you're gonna get it up right here. See? See what I'm talking about? Let's zoom out a little bit. And then here we go. So you're getting the cable out nice and tight. You're gonna position it here, and now let's tighten the bolt. Okay, so this is what I had done over here. See how the cable is coming from the bottom? And you're gonna just come back over here, and you're going to just tighten this bolt like we have done earlier. You see how we're tightening? Just nice and snug. Okay, it's time to give it a little trim. Beautiful. You're gonna put a little tiny crimp in here. There's the crimp right there, all done and nice.